Read reviews that most people are talking about Shinyjoy open-ear headphones, wireless, Bluetooth 5.3, with noise-cancelling mic. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. Improved compatibility and Bluetooth 5.3. Our earphones are compatible with iOS, Android, PCs, smart TVs, and other Bluetooth devices. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, our earphones offer improved transmission efficiency, security, and stability, providing you a new level of performance with low latency and high-quality audio. If you encounter any issues, please feel free to contact us at any time. Enhanced sound quality and privacy. Our earphones provide a powerful sound quality. Despite the exceptional audio quality, sound leakage is significantly reduced compared to conventional open-ear headphones, ensuring both an immersive listening experience and privacy protection. Revolutionary open-ear design. Shinyjoy's secure fit headphones offer a unique open-ear design that allows you to enjoy your favorite music while remaining aware of your surroundings. With an elastic ear hook and a skin-friendly silicone cover, our earphones deliver a whole new level of wearing experience. Perfect for outdoor activities and fitness. With an IPX5 sweat-resistant, our earphones are ideal for outdoor activities and daily fitness routines. The ergonomic design ensures a secure and comfortable fit, whether you're cycling, hiking, camping, commuting, driving, working, jogging, or walking your dog. Long battery life and fast charging. Our next generation design incorporates dual-core driver decoding, reduces power consumption. With the charging compartment, the standby time is up to 200 hours and the playtime is up to 20 hours. With Type-C fast charging, you can enjoy it anytime and anywhere. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.